Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a glowing neon text effect in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up CapCut. Now from here, I'm going to click on New Project. And now I'm going to choose this video to add this glowing neon text effect to. Click Add. Here's the video. Now from here, I want to click Text. Click Add Text. And now put in your text here. I'm going to type in glowing neon effect. Now I can make this smaller if I like. But from here, I want to change my font. So you got free and pro versions to choose from. If you want to check out CapCut Pro, I will leave a link in the description below where you can try a free 7-day free trial. In saying that, I'm going to pick a font for this neon effect. I'm going to go ahead and use the Anton or the Rubik text effect, or the font, sorry. And now I want to move this text to be at the bottom here, and I can make it smaller or larger if I like. Might leave it about that size. Now from here, I want to click onto Styles. And under Styles here, we've got text, brand colors, stroke, glow, background. We want to click onto Glow. And we've got two different versions. We've got Pro or free. So if you got CapCut Pro, I suggest using Pro because it does look better. Or you can use the free version. I'm going to keep it at Pro. And then you can see the intensity is quite huge. So I might move this down a little bit with the scroller like so. And now I can change the color if I like here too to be yellow. And now if I press play, let's have a look what this looks like. Now finish off by adding an animation. So you can check out pro versions or free. So I might use this float down one like so. Click the tick. Now if I press play, let's have a look what this looks like. So yeah, that's how to create a glowing neon text effect using CapCut.